I'm Fion and I'm from Cambridge Secondary School. Before POA I got E8 and after O-levels I got B3. Because the website is very interesting, I feel like the website has a better layout than most POA websites. Plus, when you Google POA tuition, it's the first thing that pops up, so it caught my attention and my brother's attention. I also feel that out of all the POA tuitions, it has the best rating. It's really different from other tutors. I feel like he really tries to be your friend instead of a teacher. He's basically a mentor slash friend. You can't really find that anywhere else. Like most teachers in Singapore, they really take your money then teach you, okay, go. But I feel like Mr. Craig really care about you, like he will treat you to call, chicken rice, and after tuition he will ask you stay back. You don't have to pay extra, you just like anything just ask, and like he really try to know about you and know more about your life, Yeah, so like that's very interesting. You not only feel like you have a friend, you also have a mentor and a teacher. So it's like 3 in 1. Thank you, Mr. Craig. Thank you, Your POA.